Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine. So I'm using the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream in the shade Medium 330W, and this is my new foundation that I've been using. I got the CC Cream about a month ago, and this is all I've been using. And it has SPF 30. Always using my Beauty Bakery sponges, one of my favorites. I also need to get more. If I don't use the e.l.f. CC Cream, I usually go in with the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint, and that makes your skin look so beautiful. I've been using this one for like about 2 years before I started trying this one. So this is more full coverage, and then this is just to correct your, to like balance out your color. I've definitely been using a lot more drugstore products than I used to use back then. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the hydrating one. I don't put a lot of concealer on. I usually just put it here in that corner, and then I go on the outer corner, and then I'll just do like little spot treatments. Like I'll do it where I have the most blemishes. Don't set anything in with powder. If I do, I usually go in with like the Coty Airspun powder, but I have it in a jar. I have this vintage little jar, and this is full of powder. Just pat it on. So for bronzer, I usually use my Chanel God, I forgot the name of it. I use the La Beige, not foundation, the bronzer. Then I use a dense, like, I don't know what kind of brush this is, but it's a dense fan brush. And I just go like that. And it helps, like, really contour the areas that I want to bronze. So first I go in with this creamy bronzer. Then I'll go in with this powder bronzer, which I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Tequila Tan. I got this a year ago, and I'm almost hitting pan, but I still have a lot of product. I usually focus the bronzer in the inner part of my cheekbone. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Always Rosy blush. It is primer infused. So I use this old Kat Von D brush, which is the Shade and Light brush, but I use this tapered side for the blush just because I like getting it in like the high parts of my cheeks. Brush onto my nose. And the fun part is highlighter. I've been using this ColourPop Wisp Super Shock highlighter, and then sometimes I will use a Merit Bounce highlighter, and I usually like to use a sponge for the Merit one, and I'll just put it at an angle. go in with a small brush on the inner corners of my eyes with a highlighter. Because I don't do my eyebrows, I don't fill them in like at all, to be honest. I just go in with the Glossier Boy Brow in the brown color. Then I go in with mascara, which is the Mexican mascara. I love it. Lastly, I'm going in with lips. I usually use this Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and sometimes I'll use the Merit Lip Oil because, you know, sometimes I don't want a lip gloss. It smells really good. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I will link every product I use down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video.